Welcome to the Sleep Biohacking Protocol. This is not just relaxation, it's a science-based guide to help you understand and improve your sleep. Because better sleep means better recovery, better focus, and a longer, healthier life. Tomorrow, you can start optimizing your sleep environment and biology. But first, let's talk about what you can do tonight. You've done everything right, but your brain won't turn off. So what can you do right now? Lay down, close your eyes, and let's go through 10 scientifically proven adjustments that can help your body enter sleep mode faster. First one, the temperature. Keep your bedroom cool around 18 degrees Celsius, or if you want 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Research shows that a drop in core body temperature signals the brain to release melatonin and trigger sleep onset. Next important thing is darkness. Make your room truly dark. Even small amounts of light suppress melatonin production by the pineal gland, especially blue light from screens. Next step, the red light exposure. If you need any light in the night, use the red light only. Red wavelengths have minimal impact on circadian rhythm, helping your body maintain a natural night signal. Step number 4, noise control. Use white or brown or pink noise sounds to mask environmental sounds. Studies demonstrate that steady noise reduces sleep fragmentation and increases time spent in deep sleep. You should also focus on your breath rate. Slow down your breathing consciously. When respiratory rate drops, your vagus nerve activates the parasympathetic system, lowering heart rate and calming the mind. Check your posture and your comfort. Align your neck and spine neutrally. Physical discomfort increases micro-awakenings. Proper alignment enhances REM continuity. Next step is your pre-sleep mindset. Avoid analytical thoughts or planning. Mental overactivity maintains high cortical beta waves, incompatible with the onset of sleep-related theta rhythm. Next one is body scan awareness. Bring gentle attention to different parts of your body. Neuroimaging shows that somatic focus shifts blood flow from prefrontal regions to sensory areas, facilitating relaxation. If you can, try breathing only through the nose. Nasal breathing increases nitric oxide levels, improving oxygen delivery and activating relaxation pathways. Last one, gentle auditory focus. Focus on one repetitive, neutral sound, whatever you like. For example, rain sounds or white noise. Monotony decreases neural stimulation in the reticular activating system, which promotes drowsiness. There are also proven breathing methods to accelerate the transition into sleep. And then there's the famous 4-7-8 technique. Developed by Dr. Andrew Weil, it's a simple neurophysiological pattern that slows the heart rate, reduces sympathetic tone, and triggers relaxation. Let's try it together. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Now, hold your breath for 7 seconds. And exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Again, inhale. Hold. And exhale. Again, inhale. Hold. And exhale. Repeat this in your mind 3 times. Each cycle lowers cortisol levels and synchronizes your heart rhythm with your breathing. Your body begins to shift toward deep parasympathetic rest. Now, feel your muscles soften. Notice your thoughts dissolve. Your breath becomes the rhythm of sleep itself. Your body temperature lowers. And your brain gently slides into delta waves, the language of deep, restorative sleep. You are safe. You are calm. You are resting. Good night.